Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today guys, I'm basically finna explain what I want to do in the future of this channel. But first though, I want to go to a server that I have not played in a long time. That I used to play on a lot of back in 2020 on the Xbox One. Is Lifeboat. I have not played this in so long actually. So yeah. Basically, recently, I've been not uploading because I had no motivational. I had no motivation because there's been a lot of stuff been happening in my life and yeah and just now I'm not reading no script, so you might hear a lot of the us in this video if but so you know I met a lot of good friends from YouTube like Blueberry um what was his name again? Davian, Jolly Pikachu, Joe. That's why I call him almost back in my old gotcha videos. But he deleted his channel due to the Davian copycat paste thing. At least he got some recommendation though, but yeah. So basically he was a good friend too. He's a good friend, and almost everyone I mentioned is a good friend. But recently, I've been thinking a lot, and I'm starting to think I'm not a good YouTuber. And yeah, I'm on PC. Yeah, I'm on PC. So yeah, I've been thinking about this a lot, and I'll be like, what if they don't actually care about my channel? Maybe they don't care about. Maybe they don't even care about subscribing to the channel because they feel sorry for me. I'll be like, no, 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 no. They actually support my content and stuff, and they'll be like, alright, tell me. I'll be looking at analytics and be like, dang, there was no one that subscribed to me watching my videos. I mean, except for the few people. Thanks. But but I might actually start tearing it up. But basically, right now I've been thinking a lot about my future stuff, about being a YouTuber. And I'm really starting to I made a lot of new friends. And now thinking about it, I really want to start making Fortnite videos again. I mean, I never made no Fortnite videos, but I'm really thinking of making what was I going to game called again? Oh yeah, 𝐓𝐚𝐠𝐬 video again. I really loved making the video. It was so much fun to make and kind of scary at the same time. So yes, I will be making another one. And some old videos from this channel will be re-uploaded if I can find some. There's only two that I found, which was the repost that was already on this channel, which is what was it called again? Oh yeah, it was called subscribe to these people repost. And the Nathan Exposed video is getting reposted soon. It just doesn't have the voiceover, and the editor kind of messed me up. So that's why you kind of so gamer retro. Sorry about that. I'm just thankful that you actually edited the video for me. Like, you didn't never said no to me, like ever. So I'm kind of because I'm actually pretty grateful about what you did. So I just want to say thank you for all that. And I'm sorry that I never got to upload that one video we're supposed to do together. We can do it soon. Right now, I'm focused on my life. I'm focused on school right now. But there will be some videos coming out, and there'll be a video almost every 14 days. Every 14 days, that's when I'll upload a video. Every 14 days. So yeah. So I used to have my schedule on every Friday or Sunday. Is because then I have more free time than before. And the oh yeah, guys, there was actually supposed to be another part of playing old Roblox games. I just never got done with the video. I just never. The video's doing works right now. So, but if you thought I stopped the project, I'm actually still working on it. This has been one of the second most hard videos I ever did. So, yeah, yeah, but I'm really so that's why I haven't been uploading in a while. Is because I've been really focused on that video, and I'm trying to make the thing really good as possible. Cause I actually don't know before. The Brawlhalla video with 𝐓𝐚𝐠𝐬 and the first episode of revisiting old Roblox games. It took me over a week to get done. A week. But the Brawlhalla video took me over a week. But when it came to that Roblox video, it took me 3 weeks to get done with that video. I filmed that video back in January, and and it was still in the works when I released it. The video wasn't even half done when I released it. But yeah, the Blueberry video of me and her playing, it's still in the works, and let's just say the project is very going good. And I have upcoming stuff coming out. I'm proud to confirm this. Me and the crew are making a movie. It's going to be. I can't spoil it. Basically, yeah, me and the team been working on the movie since April, and yeah, me we were finna film the movie next year, like when we start filming it. But we was like, nah, but we have to film it this year. So we decided to film it. So we decided to do some filming. We got the scripts. I already drew the screen. I already drew the screen times. I had to draw some of them. I had no help. I mean, I did have help from one of my school, two of my school friends. Um, that actually helped me with some of them, but yeah. And I'm gonna say I'm even though I kind of don't like one of them, I want to say thank you so much for helping me. If you didn't accept that project would took us 2025 to get done. So I want to say thank you so much. I'm proud that you actually helped us. So thank you so much. And some of y'all be like, "Oh my God, he got so his voice sounds more deep now." Is because we're not kids anymore, so things change, we change, our lives change and stuff. Yeah, all that. So I just want to say thank y'all so much for being in my life of YouTube, and I want to say thank you to every single one of y'all that was here with me, and that helped me make videos, be my editors. The times that I got in drama. I want to say thank you to all of that. I want to say thank you to everyone that got me more popular than before. Because I got in that Rebecca situation. That got me more popular than ever. So I'm saying thank you, Rebecca. Yeah. And the 𝐓𝐚𝐠𝐬 situation. So that's how I got into that too. But yeah, cause I'm not making a video on that. Cause it took me. Cause it's gonna take me over. It's gonna take me over 2025 to get done with that video. Cause how long it's gonna take. But yeah, right now I'm just saying thank you so much for all the times that I had of y'all. And I'm not retiring. I'm still finna keep going. It's just I'm just not motivated to post as YouTube as I used to. So if y'all have anything, can y'all give me some tips of how to be motivated to make YouTube videos? Cause I'm just feeling none of it. Maybe one day, I mean, maybe when I'm trying to do a thing that I'm focused. I'm still, I'm still I'm still working on YouTube behind the scenes. I just don't record anything. I'm too focused on how the analytics work, how like games that's popular right now, how my editing can be better and stuff, how everything can be good, and how am I supposed to get best editing software, well, voiceover software, editing software. Right now I'm using Vegas Pro 14 version, but and, and y'all got the gaming setup tour, but after Christmas, it's finna change a lot. And I was, um, yeah. I want to say thank you to everyone that I know, except for the Taylors. We don't mess with the Taylors. I'm joking. I'm joking. It's Taylor Swift. If you're watching this, even though I doubt you're not, I did not mean it. I was just joking. I was talking about the Taylors I know. I was just joking. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry, and all of that. Please. And how did that boy reach me? I'm still thinking over here. How did he reach me? But whew, man, I'm actually going to tear up. Let me tell you the plans for this future. I'm I already told you, but I'm thinking of making. Um, I have games on my phone that I want to record of. I have Five Nights at Freddy's. I have what was that thing called again? I have I have that one game called Doom. I have just think of any game I can play, but it's just that I don't have the right equipment to record all that. Except, what was just up? So, yeah. So basically, all of that. So I have new equipment now. So just know I'm back and I'm I'm trying to get more motivated. So yeah, I might have to watch some YouTube videos of how to get more motivated to post YouTube videos. So all of that. And then after I watch some of them, I might be motivated again. But just know I'm not. And just know I got re into bedwars on Java. And I started playing Java more often than Bedrock. But I tried to record some of them, but it's just my recording software can't handle it. So I just have to leave it like. So I have to play for Bedrock for now. And all of that. And I'm really thinking of playing this one game in particular. I'm really thinking of playing this one game. I forgot what it was called, but oh yeah, GTA. I'm planning on making some GTA content. I'm trying to think of some old games that I recorded, but oh yeah, I'm thinking of playing some of the newer horror games if I have the chance and stuff. And I'm thinking of doing some Q&As, so y'all can ask me some questions in the comments. I will answer them in the next video. If y'all will ask me some questions. I don't know if y'all will, but just know I will be posting more stuff I will be posting more stuff. I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials and stuff of how would this stuff work and stuff. Yeah, basically, I've been thinking a lot about my YouTube recently, and I've been making a lot of beats for rapping and stuff. Yeah, and the same producers that are helping me in my movie, they're making some beats for me, like probably right now. So so yeah. So I just want to say thank you for everyone for being here, and thank. Oh yeah, I just know I won this game by the way, but since this video's too long, I really don't want to just be waiting for so long. But thank y'all so much for watching this video, and see ya.